The beauty, majesty, and timelessness of a primeval rainforest are indescribable. Raw, pure, and unchanging. Here, nature is at its most powerful and its most generous. The Amazon, a word that stands for greatness and strength. Over 1.2 billion acres, the equivalent of 2.5 million square miles of rainforest where there is no time, no technology, and no limit to the mysteries that can be unlocked. An ecosystem protecting the Earth's greatest biological treasures, where more than half of the world's estimated 10 million species of plants, animals, and insects live and hide. Rainforests have evolved over millions of years to turn into the incredibly complex environments they are today. The Amazon contains the largest collection of living plant and animal species in the world, a finite store of living and breathing renewable natural resources that for eons have contributed a wealth of resources for the survival and well-being of humankind. Evergreen as far as the eye can see, at least 3,000 edible fruits are hidden here. The natives use over 2,000 of them, and of those, only 200 are now in use in the Western world. The natural healing properties of these treasures of the Amazon have not gone unnoticed by the scientific world. The U.S. National Cancer Institute has reported that 70% of the 3,000 plants that are known to be active against cancer cells are found in the rainforest. Today, 25% of Western pharmaceuticals come from rainforest ingredients. But less than 1% of these tropical trees and plants have even been tested by scientists. The Amazon, much like the depths of the vast ocean floors, is still largely undiscovered and uncharted. But what if the Amazon's grasp has loosened just enough to allow one of its most preciously guarded pearls to be unwrapped? What if that pearl, in the form of a small dark violet berry, possessed scientific properties no other fruit could claim, like the protein profile of an egg and a phytochemical content greater than red grapes? Would it not be a treasure worthy of the Amazon that must not be kept a secret? The acai berry. Strength, energy, richness, just like the rainforest it comes from. A deep, dense color that reflects no light, harvested for centuries from the 25-foot acai palm where they dangle from branches in clusters. Only recently discovered by the Brazilian elite and North Americans, the acai berry is making headlines and claiming fans. Vogue magazine calls it the next big workout cocktail. The Washington Post writes, the acai has a beguiling berry-like flavor with intense chocolate overtones. The London Times reports, acai is the fruit of an Amazonian palm tree with the nutritional content that makes other fruits blush with inadequacy. The Men's Journal calls it the fruit that packs a punch. And the U.S. Health Sciences Institute describes acai as nature's perfect food.